Hey, what's up everyone? NG Trains 618 here. And you can see what's going on right there. Everywhere here in New Jersey has a strong wind. And all road signs are blowing like crazy here. Yeah, and I just want one normal day. Like a quiet one or something. I meant a quiet weather right there. Seriously. Yeah, just want one quiet weather today without that wind going on. And look at the stop sign here. It's blowing like crazy here. Here's the handicap tag, and here's the sign right there. It says reserved parking handicap. Here it is. And it says penalty $250 first offense, 250-minute or slash and up to 90 days community service tollway zone. Seriously. Here's the view of Route 35 over there. Seriously. Can't believe that's right out there or something here. And here's the beautiful view of the clouds right there at the plaza. Let's take a closer view of the plaza here. Here it is. Here's Ulta right there. Right to my far left, I see Best Buy out there. Thank you for watching, everyone. And I just want one normal, quiet weather. Take care, you guys. See you guys in the next video after this. Goodbye, YouTubers. See you guys in the next video.